Hello, myself Sunil Ramkishan. This is my so best example of AI software is who is basically tracking the oil data basically in Sharjah land basically in which area basically the oil is stored basically. That one person basically have to track basically. So he told that basically we have used around 1 crore people energy to track this data basically. So here the main data is that 5 lakh building basically which was created. There people basically energy plays very important role basically. Their data basically are also used because source data is there basically. But in this world basically entire tracking device is created on the base of some human energy basically. Software is nothing basically, it's one some set of conditions basically, but real human energy basically are used, and on the base of that basically the conditions are checked basically. That is this oil tracking software basically which is getting checked basically. So same way in this world basically around more than 1 crore softwares are there which is connecting to the one AI world basically, that is artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligences are equal to set of conditions, and set of conditions basically are equal to set of data, and that data basically are human address basically. So AI basically connects up to this level. So one person told that basically the person who created the AI basically he might not be knowing this basically, that to create the device software basically set of human energy data are used. He might not be knowing basically. Why? Because here the totally different team basically are there basically who are into this everything basically, who are into the architect of the software basically. In that basically they say that basically these all are the data basically which requires, that basically comes to the system architect department basically. So next